You have a lot of work. Let's start over.
This is gonna be a DIY 4-letter recognition, an empty box. You're gonna need a cutter, knife, blade, whatever you call these. You're gonna need scissors, tape, markers. If you have a printer, you can print out the letters or just write them down like I did. Capital letter on the box and then the lowercase to see if they can match it and find the right letter. For mine, he's barely 2 years old, so I'm just gonna have him look for the letters. And obviously, he doesn't know them all. My goal for him for now is just to work with his fine motor skills. So how well he can manage to find the little cut for him to put the spoon. A, so this is gonna be for the future. He'll be, if he doesn't destroy it by next week, he can find the letter A and match it and pop it right there. So let's get started. Because if you start wrapping the box before, it's a lot harder to write your letters. We have a visitor. Oi. Say hello. Say hi. Say hello. 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 What's your name? Yeah. What are you gonna do? The next part is, okay, go get the marker so why? Go. No. You see, this is what I was telling you. This is exactly what I was telling you. He's gonna start popping out the letters. Okay, bye. All right, let's continue. Here goes. Hey. Okay, so I have to glue it again. That is why you're gonna need tape to keep all the letters in place. You're gonna start marking your little lines. For this next one, I'm gonna use a pen to poke holes, and then we'll have him use his fine motor skills, the same one but on the back, so we can have him put some pipe cleaners, so that way he can use some tweezers to take them out. So I'm gonna be putting all of the pipe cleaners this way and then have him take them out with some tweezers. Let's see how it goes. So keep on poking some more holes.
Look. There you go. Good job. There you go. Purple. Pink. Bravo! Bravo, bravo, bravo. Letter A. A, here. First letter A. That's letter F.